Hey guys, I'm at the Vision X booth. I found Eric's Bronco build from Maxliders, and I am super excited about their Raptor. I love the color scheme. I think it's awesome, but we're gonna catch up with Eric later. So let's go check out some other booths.
Krista!
What?
What's up? How are you?
What's going on from Wild Horses?
Yeah, so I got you a rock, actually. It's getting past the rock star, so I figured you're the first one that I saw. I'm like, oh, what a perfect person to give it to. You've been killing it.
Well, thank you.
Your audience loves you. We love you. You're doing
thanks.
awesome. So,
well,
yeah.
I'll see you around.
Yeah.
All right.
Have fun with the rock.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Well, I kind of like this. Hey, what's up?
Krista, what are you doing with my rocks? Wait a minute, you're holding the rock that I gave Mitch Creel.
No, he gave this to me.
Oh, ironic. So I gave that to Mitch Creel
In
because...
fact, this is my present to you because you're such a rock star.
Oh,
and
no.
you know, since we're here, you know, I was looking for you, you know, Maxlider here. I'm looking at the Clydesdale package. I'm seeing this super sweet Raptor, and it just has your name written all over it. And I want you to tell me all about it. So let's just forget about this rock.
Thanks for stopping by. As Krista said, this is our Clydesdale edition 2022 Maxlider Ford Bronco. And we're now offering the Clydesdale package for modern Broncos and Bronco Raptors.
Now the first thing that caught my attention, of course, is all the lighting that you have all over this, but also this front bumper and bush guard. Like, it's amazing.
Thank you. And we spent a lot of time designing this because we wanted it to be literally the best, most functional Bronco bumper on the market. And so we made it modular so that you can set it up a lot of different ways. You can bolt the brush guard on, or you don't have to have it on there if you don't like. You can add accent lighting or additional lighting. This has 4.7-inch LED lights on it from our partners at Vision X, and we're in the Vision X booth, so we're showcasing that lighting. But if you don't want lighting and you want a winch, you pull the cover plate off, you drop the winch inside of the bumper, and now you've got that function as well.
I see the sensors.
Yep.
So you can have any package. Is adaptive cruise control something like this?
Yeah, great eye. That was important because people, you know, once you have adaptive cruise control, you want that to work. You kind of rely on it, especially if you're driving long distances with your Bronco. So we moved the ACC module right here at the front of the bumper, so you don't have anything interfering with its functionality, and you still got ACC right there in your Bronco.
I also noticed with the camera, it's not blocked with the lighting, and it looks like the winch is going to sit deeper into the bumper, so you're not going to have any interference with that. And why are you going to order a Bronco and then build something aftermarket and you're not going to be able to use some of those features?
Yeah.
So I think that's really awesome that you incorporated that. What else comes with the Clydesdale package?
It's got to be functional, and it's got to look good too.
Yeah.
So if we walk around on this side, you'll notice that we have color matched a lot of things, like these big fender flares.
Let's just stop there. The color scheme, love it.
Thank you.
A lot of people hate the Raptor flares. Like they're like, oh, they're too big, they're too gaudy, they're too plasticky looking.
Yeah.
This looks amazing. I mean, I think you totally changed the looks of the Raptor to be even more high-end looking.
Yeah, it was important to us to help remedy that because we hear that a lot. You know, I like the Raptor, but I don't like the fender flares. So Ford designed the front and rear quarters to actually mold around the flare. So you can't really change the shape. So the question becomes, how do you make that shape less offensive? We decided to color match that with the graphics in the front bumpers to tie it all in and make it a full presentation, and then you lose some of that, the gaudiness of especially the rear fender flare. We've got brackets that allow you to mount 1 or 2 4.7-inch LEDs in this case, but you can also select different lighting if you have a preference there. And then we have the light bar at the top.
You're not gonna get lost in the dark.
Now, the one thing that we've heard at SEMA, and something we're really known for, as I'm being blinded by the LEDs that are turning on. Yes, they're very effective. They work very well. Where am I? Can't see anything.
I'm blind.
But something we're known for in the vintage Bronco space is our custom leather interior. And so all of our customers seem to want to carry that into their modern Bronco as well.
Well, let's check that out. And that's something you did do with this. It looks amazing.
You jump into that really plush, distressed, whiskey-colored leather interior. In this case, it's a diamond stitch with a nice belt line there. And
I see you even did the dash.
Matching
as well.
dash, that's right. It's about making all of it work together and give people a luxury feel when they get into their Bronco. They're super comfortable. Towards the rear of the vehicle, you've got this big old tire. It's hanging off the tailgate. And in the vintage Bronco space, this issue has plagued us for years, in that the wheel and the tire end up too big for the stock application. So we designed a heavy-duty spare tire reinforcement bracket that's also extra functional in that there's bumpers behind this tire.
Right.
If you're driving down the road and you have aftermarket wheels and tires on the back of your bumper, you'll notice that when you hit a bump,
Creak, creak, and
it creaks,
flexes.
and you get some separation there between the lift gate.
One thing I want to point out, there are other reinforcements out on the market right now, and they cover up the Bronco emblem.
Yeah.
So the fact that you put this on there, that's a nice touch, because when you have a Bronco, you want to show off that you have a Bronco. I really
Absolutely.
like it. It's just the style of it is unlike anything I've seen. And the bumper looks great too. I like how you have the shackles, and it just looks great.
We've got the additional emblem, but we've mounted a flagpole holder on the back, because when we take it to shows, we'll put a big old American flag. All of this stuff's American made, and we're really proud of that aspect as well.
So how would I get the Clydesdale package? If somebody had a Bronco and they wanted their Bronco to look like this, what do they need to do?
Yeah, so regardless of whether it's a regular 2021 and up Bronco or it's a Raptor, all you gotta do is give us a call. You can have your Bronco drop shipped to us from the factory after they manufacture it. So we're an authorized drop ship location with Ford Motor Company. So either you can do it that way, or you can ship it to us, or you can order some of our products online on our website, maxliderbros.com.
Awesome, and be sure to follow them on Instagram. He's always posting some great content on there. Eric, thank you so much. And how has SEMA been for you? Has it been busy?
Oh, it's been amazing. We have 4 Broncos here at the show, 2 modern Broncos and 2 vintage Broncos, and so we've had tons of compliments. Everyone's always so kind and complimentary, and these are our people.
That's right.
Car people.
Yep.
And a lot of Bronco people at the show, like you.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming and supporting the show and us and all the other manufacturers and vendors that are here.
Awesome.
We appreciate it.
Well, I can't wait to see you. I think we'll see each other next at Super Celebration Tennessee, right?
That's right. Are you guys going to be there? Because we are.
Yes.
And it is, if you like Broncos, it's the best show to go to.
If you guys plan to attend the Tennessee Super Celebration, leave a comment below and we'll definitely try to plan something. But Eric, thank you so much. You totally rocked it. Love the Clydesdale Bronco.
I see what you did there. Rocked it.
Oh, no pun intended.
My brain is tired.
Hey, it's been going pretty smoothly.